Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dejimira Naturals. I'm a licensed aesthetician, a certified cosmetic scientist and educator. I am also the founder of Dejimira Institute of Cosmetology and Aesthetics, a government-registered institution that is dedicated to training the next generation of cosmetic scientists, estheticians, and beauty therapists. It's been a while I posted here, and I know many of you have been wondering why. Well, I took some time to go back to school and gain additional certifications. My goal is to continually upgrade my skills and knowledge so I can give you and my students the best training and education possible. In addition to my certification, I have been building the Dejimira Institute of Cosmetology and Aesthetics to ensure that students not only learn the right way to formulate and offer advanced treatment, but also receive a recognized certification that will be valuable to them within Nigeria and outside Nigeria. But now I am back and better than ever. I'll be posting new videos every week, packed with professional insight on skincare formulation, advanced treatment, and so much more. To all my loyal subscribers, thank you so much for your unwavering support over the years. Your encouragement means the world to me. And to my new subscribers, welcome to my community. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly hit the red button below so you can subscribe to my channel. Also, feel free to share my video with family and friends. Turn on your notification bell so you get notified anytime there is an upload coming from me. I am so excited about this journey and I can't wait to share valuable content with you like the one I'll be sharing today. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a body polish scrub. I'm going to list out the ingredients, the benefits, the importance of using a body polish, and if you don't use body polish, what is going to happen to your skin. I want you to relax and watch this video to the very end. So let me take you to my factory and show you everything I have in stock for you today. Welcome to my lab where the magic of skincare formulation happens. Today I'll take you on a journey to understand body polish scrub, what it is, what it does to your skin, and why it is a must you have it in your skincare routine. So let's dive into the details. First of all, what is body polish scrub? A body polish scrub is a luxurious exfoliating product designed to gently slug up dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. It's going to leave your skin smooth. It's going to boost your skin glow. It's not just another exfoliant. It's a treatment that enhances your skin absorption of other skincare products. What does a body polish do? 1. It removes dead skin cells. This helps to unveil fresh and radiant skin underneath. 2. It improves your skin texture. Say goodbye to rough patches and dullness. 3. It boosts circulation. It stimulates blood flow for a healthier looking skin. It preps your skin for other skincare products by removing the barrier of the dead cell. It allows serums, it allows creams to penetrate into your skin to work effectively. Who should use body polish scrub? Anyone looking to improve their skin texture and radiance and can benefit. It is great for people with rough skin, dry skin, dull skin, uneven skin tone, clogged pores, hyperpigmentation, dark spots. If you are having any of these skin issues, then you should use body scrub 2 to 3 times in a week. What happens if you don't use body polish? Without body polish, dead skin cells will accumulate, causing your skin to be dull. And it will make your skincare product not to be effective. It will also increase the risk of clogged pores. Your skin will have patches all over. Your skin will be dry and rough. How to use a body polish for best result? After you finish cleansing your skin, just use a little and massage into your skin in a circular motion. Focusing on the rough areas. After you've done that for 3 minutes, then you rinse off thoroughly. Then you follow up with a moisturizer to lock in the hydration for a soft, glowing skin. Skin concerns body polish helps with. Dry skin. If you're having a dry skin, it's really going to help you. It will hydrate your skin. It will soften your skin. If you are having uneven skin tone, it's going to lighten dark spots and hyperpigmentation. If your skin is rough with patches, it's going to smoothen your skin texture. If your skin is dull, it's going to help boost the radiance of your skin. So now that you understand the benefits, let me introduce you to the key ingredients in our body polish scrub. So let's go there. One of the key ingredients in this body polish scrub is sea salt. And the benefit of sea salt, one, it gently exfoliates and detoxifies the skin. It is rich in minerals like magnesium and potassium, which improve the skin hydration. It reduces inflammation and promotes healing. What does it do to the skin? It removes dead skin cells, improves circulation, clear pores, and prevents breakouts. The second key ingredient is niacinamide. And the benefit of niacinamide, it balances oil production. If you are having excess oil, then you should grab this. It reduces redness and inflammation. Niacinamide brightens the skin and evens out the skin tone. It tackles hyperpigmentation, acne, blemishes, fine line, and wrinkles. Another key ingredient is AHA fruit acid. It exfoliates the skin by dissolving dead skin cells. It boosts collagen production, hydrates and plumps the skin. It tackles dullness, uneven skin tone, pigmentation all over the body. Another key ingredient is lemon extract. Lemon extract is very, very good. It brightens the skin. It is packed with vitamin C for antioxidant production. It reduces dark spots and discoloration. It fades hyperpigmentation and helps brighten dull skin. I have plant oils that deeply moisturizes the skin, strengthen the skin barrier, provide antioxidant to fight free radicals. I also have emulsifier. Emulsifier is very good. It helps the liquid ingredients, butters and oils to blend together. It enhances production texture for smooth application. It also locks in hydration and protects your skin barrier. I have yogurt filtrate inside, which is rich in probiotics that balance the skin, hydrate and soften the skin, brightens and improves skin elasticity. I have different butters in here, which is good for hydration. It hydrates dry skin, rough skin, is soothing the skin, provide long-lasting moisture and softness. Another key ingredient is hydrolyzed milk protein, which strengthens the skin barrier and lock in moisture, improves skin elasticity and firmness. It smoothens the skin and softens the skin. So those are all the ingredients I use for this body polish. So what I do is that I'm going to combine all my butters, my emulsifier in a different place while I combine the other liquid in another different place. So I'm going to melt them and I'll put them in my mixer. I'll combine them, put them in my mixer and mix it together before adding the powder ingredient. In the powder ingredient, I have different botanicals. I have a Dead Sea salt. I'm going to mix them together and pour it into the liquid using my mixer to mix everything together. I'm going to mix them very well to make sure that they mix in properly so they are not going to separate. So after mixing, this product is actually for a client that ordered for body polish scrub. So she has been doing this business for like 6 months now. She sells the body polish scrub and brightening body butter, and people have been buying this product from her back to back. In case you don't know how to produce, you can send us a message, Tell us how you want the product to be. Tell us the skin issues you want to target. We'll make a product specifically for that skin issues you want to target. So whomsoever that is going to use that product is going to see result. So I'm going to mix everything together. So this client asked for us to use natural color, which is the yellow color, and a pink color. You are going to see the pink color after this yellow color. So please, those that are still doing pro mixing is not the way forward. People are now informed. Nobody wants to use a product that is going to damage their skin. If you are still doing pro mixing, still mixing skin-free milk, concentrated serums and tubes for people, I want you to make a decision before the end of this year. Stop mixing things you don't know about. Stop mixing things that destroys people's skin. Make a decision and start making natural products by 2025. People are now informed. Nobody wants to use oshiaprapra. Nobody wants to destroy their skin anymore. Skin cancer is real. A lot of people are battling with skin cancer and kidney related sickness. If you don't know how to produce, you can register in a good institution to learn how to produce, or you can give the contract to a company to help you produce. We are open for production. We help skincare brand to make natural skincare product for their brand. All you have to do is just to brand your product and market your product. We'll take the stress off you. We are going to take the stress. We'll come up with the formula exactly how you want it to be, and we are going to send you samples before you place your order. And also, if you want to take course in aesthetics, you want to take course in beauty therapy, you want to take course in you want to be a cosmetic scientist, then register at Dejimira Institute of Cosmetology and Aesthetics. This is a government registered institution that is dedicated to training future aestheticians, cosmetic scientists, and beauty therapists. And our certificate is valuable, even for those that want to japa, because the school is registered with National Board for Technical Education. So the certificate is valuable outside Nigeria and in Nigeria. So you can decide to be producing for a company if you don't want to produce for yourself. You can decide to start your skincare business when you japa outside the country, and the certificate will cover you because it is registered with National Board for Technical Education. So after the production, after mixing my faces together, this is the final product. This is what we got. So we are going to send it to the client with the body butter. Although it's not complete yet, but I'm going to make it complete because she ordered 400 pieces of 500 grams of body polish scrub. So thank you so much for watching the video to this time. Thank you so much for watching the video to this exact point. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit the red button below so you can subscribe to my channel and join my community. I'm going to leave the website to Dejimira Institute of Cosmetology and Aesthetics. Just click, you see different courses you can apply. We have courses of 2 months, we have programs of 3 months. You can apply, you write your examination, you get your certificate. Thank you so much. And I want you to also drop in the comment section the kind of videos you want me to make. And if you have any question concerning this production, please kindly leave your comment in the comment section. I will leave all our details at the description box for you to contact us for contract manufacturing, white private labeling. If you want to register in our school, you can also go to our website and see all the courses available. Registration have started already. Lectures will resume January 2nd week. I can't wait to see you all in the class. We have different experts that are going to take different courses. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and see you all in my next video. God bless you.